Hey everyone, need to update the name that appears in your Google Meet sessions. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your display name by updating your Google account information, plus a few things to keep in mind before joining your next meeting. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and sign in to the Google account that you use with Google Meet. If you're already signed in, simply click your profile picture in the top right corner to access your account. Next, select Manage your Google account. This will open your account settings, where you can edit your personal information. Yeah, that's where your Google Meet display name comes from. Now, click the Personal Info section. Under your basic information, you'll see your current name. Select it, then enter the new first name or last name that you'd like to use. Make sure the spelling is exactly how you want it to appear. After entering your new name, click Save to apply the changes. So, Google will update your account information, although it may take a little time for the new name to appear across all Google services. Next, open Google Meet or refresh the page if it's already open. If the updated name doesn't appear immediately, sign out of your Google account and sign back in or restart your browser. Before joining your next meeting, verify that your new name is displayed correctly. Once everything looks good, everyone in your meetings should see your updated name going forward. And that's all there is to changing your name in Google Meet. I hope this guide made the process quick and easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.